here as well, and you should always go to a doctor and check that out. But the fact is that sometimes there's just a wax buildup that's in there. There are different ways to take out wax, etc., but one of the safest ways is with water. And I know that because, like I said, I go to an ear, nose, and throat doctor every 6 months and get the wax pulled out or washed out. They always do it with the water. And now you can do it yourself at home. I think that's pretty amazing. You can still go to your doctor, but maybe once a year instead of once every 6 months to get it done. $68.98. We're going to talk about this with Lori Tevis just to find out what this is all about. I've never actually seen this in action, so I'm very curious about it myself.
It's
Lori,
so
thank you.
Amazing. How are you? Love your top. You look so pretty.
You.
No, you said it. I mean, it's one tool that's going to give you a complete irrigation and cleansing system for your ears. And it's something you can do in the comfort of your own home. Like you said, it could prevent the ENT visits, and I would love to ask you how much those cost and how much time it takes.
Right.
This is something that you could do, and once you start doing this, Mary Beth, on the regular, whether it's once a day, twice a week, you're going to gradually feel the benefits of having clean ears. And some of us don't know what that actually feels like to have this freedom of clean ears. It's so amazing.
How does this work?
Okay, so you get it home, and you're going to get this device home, and it's going to come in different parts. And you're going to see right here, we can kind of go to this, you're going to get 6 gentle silicone tips that come with this, okay? So they're going to last forever, so you can share that with your family, which is nice. So one device for the whole family, a rechargeable cord. You're also going to get the device itself with the, this is a silicone cover that traps the water and eliminates the splashing, so you can do this even dressed. I'm going to show you what you do when you actually get it home, okay? So you're going to charge it up. It takes about an hour and a half to charge it up, and you're going to get 3 good hours of runtime with that, so it's going to last you a long, long time. Okay, so right here, you're going to see the charging port. Okay, and then you will get the cord as well. You're going to see, this is the on and off button. Okay, so you're going to get familiarized with that. You're going to have 3 different levels, and they're all 3 gentle. So you're going to get a very gentle stream, 3 streams of water that are going to go in your ears, and then with each increment, they're going to go up a little bit more. So you're going to pick your own comfort level on that. Okay, you're also going to see. Here, I'm going to show you. You're going to decide what level of tips you want. Okay, so all of this is customizable because your ears are, it's a really personal area of your body. So you're going to see little notches here on this tip. Okay, let me turn it here. So 3 notches. Okay, so you're going to decide if you push this tip all the way back, it's going to go more shallow into your ear, okay? And as
great way to start.
Which is I would highly recommend starting all the way back, and then if you want to graduate up to get a little bit deeper with the nozzle, you just kind of pull it out like that. Again, I started up here. You're also going to get the ear cup. So all you do, it's so simple. You're just going to snap this on, and you're going to match up right here where you're going to see this is the drain that will pull all of the soiled water down into the tank. Okay, so the tank is here at the bottom. This is your filling tank right here. I would encourage you to use warm tap water. That's all you need. You don't need medicines, you don't need chemicals. So it's a clean, natural way of irrigating and cleaning your ears. And then when you're finished, you will open up this and empty it out. And you will see, and I just want to make it very, very clear. Your ears, it's one of those processes where over time you are going to feel the benefits of having clean ears. You will have cleaner ears. So you're not going to see like boulders of wax. I mean, there are times that have happened, but don't expect that. Just expect that you're going to know the benefits and you're going to feel the benefits because it loosens it gradually over time just with the warm water and the influx of water. And then it's like amazing. So my testimonial is my son. He works and he has to wear AirPods all day long in the office, right? And he would take them out and see that they were covered in wax and debris, which in itself is kind of gross, but he also was feeling a diminished ability to actually hear. His volume was going up. My mom, the same with her hearing aids. She always thought they weren't working. Over time, my son has used this on the regular. He uses it about every other day in the shower. And he told me, he's like, Mom, it's unbelievable the difference. It's just, and it's so easy to use. And it's something that you may not realize you need it until maybe you are making those appointments to the ENT, or you are turning the volume up louder, or you're actually seeing the visible dirt on your devices, and you're seeing your devices not work as well. It's so gentle, Mary Beth.
We're going to show, you're going to show us how this works. But the thing that I want is, you know, to just say, this is for all ages.
Exactly.
Yes, it used to be just for us who are getting older, but I got to tell you, I didn't grow up with earbuds in my ears. I didn't grow up with headphones on my ears.
Right.
Like the kids do now. And so they're saying there's people in their 20s and 30s that say, I can't hear like I used to. And it may just be that they need to clean out the wax. The wax builds up from the noise that goes into your ears. So the more you wear earbuds or anything like that that kind of, you know, makes the vibrations in your ears, that's when your body naturally develops more wax.
Exactly. And your body naturally builds wax.
Earpieces in our ears and we wear every day, but I've been wearing that 3 to 4 hours a day for 4 to 5 days a week for 38 years. You can imagine how the wax builds up.
Right.
So this is that simple. It reminds me of my water flosser.
Right, exactly. And to that point, I mean, you brush your teeth every day, you floss, you're supposed to floss every day. A lot of us use the water flossers. You oftentimes don't see a lot of debris, but you are noticing the benefits, and they're getting cleaner over time. Right, now you could see on the box of the cotton swabs, they literally say, do not put in your ears. And to Mary Beth's point, if you're using the cotton swabs to clean your ears, you're actually propelling the wax deeper and deeper into the canal, right? Which makes it more dangerous and more damaging, right? So with the ear washer, it's just a safe, healthy, natural way of doing it. I'm going to go ahead and show you again. The cup that you get right here is what's going to prevent the water from potentially splashing on your clothes. But I'm not going to show, I'm going to keep the cap off so you can actually see. This is just a simulated model of an ear, okay? So I'm going to turn the power on. And I'm going to go at the gentlest setting, and I just want to show you. You can see this right here. It just gradually wicks away the dirt and the debris, and it will ultimately go into the tank because it will get flushed out, as you can see. I mean, look at this.
Yeah.
And that's just a simulation. That is actually a very, very, very heavy buildup. But look at that, how it just shakes it up, it wiggles it out, it gets it out. And again, get in front of the wax buildup by using this as part of your personal care routine. It's just such a perfect way of doing it.
It's 3 payments of $22.99. Lori, thank you so much. Stay on the line, because get that home. If you don't like it, you send it back and you get your money back. By the way, we don't have enough time to talk much about this, but it is a set of